Hey everyone, what's up today? On today's video, I am excited to complete my 3-part ride improvement project. If you haven't already checked out my videos, please make sure to go to my channel and check out the other 2 parts to this ride improvement project. On the previous videos, I installed the Fox 2.0 Performance Series shocks and the Fox 2.0 steering stabilizer with the through shaft version. So both of those 2 parts that I've added definitely have already improved the ride. Not a dramatic change, but definitely have helped on the rough roads and the small potholes. You can feel definitely more control in the vehicle. On today's part, though, I am excited because I think this is where I'll see the most dramatic improvement. And the part that I'm going to be installing is the Rancho Geometry Correction Brackets. From what I've read online, these brackets are like the best part to improve that bump control that we do experience with the Jeep JLs, especially when you have the 37-inch tires. So I think we're going to see the improvement. So I'm excited to install this part. This part does require an alignment after install. So today I'll do a small test drive, but nothing crazy. So I'll have to continue this video after I've gotten the alignment. So today I'm going to show you the install. I'm going to show you what they sent me, but then we'll do the alignment most likely tomorrow if I have the chance, but we'll get the alignment done. And then I'll give you the final feedback of how much it did improve after that. I bought this part on Amazon actually, and I think I paid $179, but from what I've seen online, it goes for about $180 to $190. So depending on where you get it, the bracket does have the ability, it is good for 2-inch to 4-inch lift because it has 3 different holes that you can pick depending on your lift. So I have a 2.5-inch Rancho lift. No, not Rancho lift. I have a 2.5-inch rough country spacer lift. So I'm probably gonna go with the middle hole and see how the alignment goes with that and how it rides. If for some reason that hole doesn't work, then I'll probably go down to the 2-inch and then go get it realigned. But we'll start with the middle one and then we'll go from there. But let's go check out what they sent us and then we'll get into the install. Okay, let's take a look at what they sent us. First off, heavy duty construction box, which is great to see, especially when shipping heavy items. So Glad Rancho's using good quality, boxes just to ship their stuff in. Inside, we've got the sticker pack, the general sticker pack that they send. It's got Rancho stickers in it, the warning labels, warranty, so general information. Next, we've got the instruction manual. Definitely going to be using this during our install. I read through it. It's very simple, so I'm very happy about what we're going to be doing. Let's just shove that in here so we don't lose it with the wind that's around. The brackets are a box welded version, so they're not 2-piece shell that they clamp together with a bolt. They are welded together. I guess not box, but they are welded already, so that is great to see. So, and you can see the holes here for the different heights, so that's great for the lift we have, so we can use, pick the holes we want. As I mentioned, I'll probably be using the 3rd one. We've got these spacers that are used probably between the bolts to keep the strength between there, and then we've got our bolts. So, it looks like it comes with a complete kit, everything you need. So let's dive into the install and we'll just get started and putting these in. So just finished the install, took it for a little drive around just to see how much of an improvement I did see already without an alignment. The install took me about, I want to say a couple hours. Those bottom two control arm bolts were pretty tough to get off, but then I figured it out. I was able to get through it. So that was a bit of it. It was a little longer because of those two bolts being very tight. Probably would have helped if I had some PB Blaster or, yeah, PB Blaster would have worked soaking it in, and then it probably would have broke those bolts easy, but I didn't think about doing that last night, so ended up having to deal with some brute force today. I did end up having to put the bolts in the top hole, which is the 2-inch lift hole. So my caster is probably not gonna be perfect, but it's definitely gonna be a lot better. And that's only, I went with that hole because could not get it in the middle hole. So assuming that just made sense, go with the top hole. So we'll see how the alignment goes tomorrow and how far off my caster is, but I definitely already on the little drive around the block definitely felt an improvement. So I am super excited to see how this performs after the alignment. So I'll get back to you guys tomorrow or the next day whenever I finish the alignment, and I'll give you the feedback. So see you guys soon. Hey guys, just got back from the alignment shop, dropped this off this morning and picked it up this afternoon. I want to say it does ride better. I drove around with it when it wasn't aligned and definitely already noticed how much of an improvement it was. So I'm gonna keep driving it and see how it goes, but I do have a bit of concern about the caster. You'll see here on the printout that the caster's around 8 right now. I've read that what I'm seeing on the forums is some people are having that. Some people are actually have 10, but they're trying to get to 8. Especially after the rough country 2.5-inch spacer lift. So I'm probably just gonna run it with the 8 for now because it doesn't seem too concerning. If I do see it, or maybe I'll put some control arms are, but I'm gonna try and avoid the control arms until I go with like a long arm kit or something, a big improvement, a big real lift kit. Right now, this spacer kit with the shocks, the steering stabilizer, and the correction geometry brackets, I think is giving me the ride that I'm looking for right now until I'm ready to upgrade to a big boy lift kit. But for now, happy with it. I wanna say this, at this point, this ride improvement project is over with. So please guys, just like and subscribe to my channel. I have a few more videos coming out. I'm gonna be redoing the vinyl on the front and adding a few things. Also have a new bumper coming. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.